means a great deal.
Oh,
Did you?
I didn't.
I,
Shall we just go turn on an accelerator and pop some champagne?
I think.
Okay.
Okay.
He's gone.
Good evening, Barry Allen. I was not expecting you this soon.
She knows you?
I know you as well, Nora West Allen, also known as XS. Fifth recruit in the rebooted Legion of...
Gideon, the particle accelerator is about to explode. I need you to recalibrate the system's chain reaction so some of the dark matter is repositioned into this file and record no reports of this in any of the logs.
You really hate him, don't you?
Do you not know what he did?
I know he was your arch enemy.
He killed my mother. In our home. When I was 11 years old. An 11-year-old boy. You know why he did it? He thought if I suffered a tragedy that was horrific enough, I'd never recover. I'd never become the Flash.
I didn't know that.
There's probably a lot that's happened to me that's not in the Flash Museum.
That's why you didn't want me to come with you, isn't it? It's not because it was dangerous or because of the timeline, but because you didn't want me to know these awful things about you, so it's not what I would remember most when I went back. You don't have to protect me from this stuff.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Yes. Yes, I do. You're my daughter.
Yeah, and you're my father. And I just want to know my father.
Recalibration complete.
Here we go.
Dark matter retrieval successful.
Let's go get our time back in place.
Spinal cord trauma. He's lost all feeling to his lower quadrant.
Mr. Wells. Dr. Wells, I need you to squeeze my hand. That's a good sign.
24-year-old male struck by lightning.
I need a full trauma panel. Get him to Bay 1. What is happening to the city?
Grace's room is on the 4th floor.
It should work. Let's put it right here.
We did it.